Welcome to Polynesian. Come with me.
Okay.
At our deluxe studio.
Our
Shower.
shower,
Bath.
toilet, some mermaids, saints. Okay.
Some twitters.
And then what do we have? But hold on.
Wait a second.
What is this other room? What's this room?
And another bathroom.
Another bathroom.
Oh, what? This is
Look
our
at the shower.
bedroom, and we're all in the same bedroom. And this is gonna be my bed, and this is gonna be your Sadie's bed, and this is gonna be Tillman's bed.
Okay.
And look right here.
Okay,
You
and
gotta
then
show us the
we got a
little
nice
kitchen area.
kitchenette area, complete with a coffee maker,
And
microwave.
look
Oh,
at this
okay.
tiki.
There's a tiki. Okay.
Nice.
All right, and then we've got Stitch, Lilo and Stitch over here.
It's-
We've
hey,
got.
The mom.
All right, watch out! Watch out!
We're gonna show.
I'm gonna show how it is. Oh man, what once was a couch, Tillman's about to trip me up, is now a bed. But it's got a table in the way, but that's okay. Pull it back up. And then what do we have over here?
That's my bed.
Welcome, Bradshaw family.
I can do it.
All right, do it. Over here, oh, Lilo and Stitch action. Another
That's
bed.
my bed.
That's your bed. And
closet.
very nice closet. We've already put all our stuff in. Very large closet. But
The beast.
the best part of this room is
The view.
the view. Oh my goodness. We just got off the bus from
Welcome
the
to
ferry boat. We just got off the ferry boat, which is right there from Magic Kingdom.
Tiki, tiki. Tiki.
And they.
And then
You
a
can put that.
large balcony. This is where we just got off the ferry boat. And right over here, what is it that we see?
Now we're going to the pool.
What is going on over here? Just the Magic Kingdom. There is another ferry boat. There's the Tron coaster, Space Mountain, bungalows
Daddy.
for one day when we win the lottery.
Hey.
There you go. Sadie, what do you see? What do you see? I can see. I can see Big Thunder Mountain. I can see the
Space Earth.
castle. Not Spaceship Earth from here. Space Mountain.
I see
The newly
castle.
constructed Tron coaster that's not open yet. We've got boats going, ferry boats, and right here is the TTC where you can get on the ferry boats, or there's a monorail rolling by.
And there's an American flag on top.
There's
of
American
it.
flag. There's a beautiful sandy thing, and we're gonna watch the fireworks
Tonight.
tonight.
And we're going in the pool.
And we're going in the pool. Wow. One last look at this
Go to the
super nice room. Tillman's using the bathroom. Welcome, Bradshaw family. Say,
Welcome.
Sadie, would you like to sign us out?
Yes. Hello. Welcome.
See?
Bye.
Say, I'm Sadie Bradshaw.
And I'm saying, hey, I'm saying for Brasso, and I'm saying it for next time.